AJ, wait for Katie. Come here. Katie's having some troubles. Caitlin, look up at the camera. What's wrong?
Can't get out a show.
Why? Good job, Katie. It is pretty deep. AJ, don't go down the slide until I can record you. Hi. Uh-oh, you're going to lose your glove. Here, stand up. Let me help you. Hold my hand. AJ, wait till I can record you. Katie, look up at me. You're beautiful. This is awesome. Do you like it?
Yes.
Yes?
So awesome.
AJ, wait. Look at this. Hold on. I'm going to pan around. Ooh.
Wow.
And it's so quiet. Katie can't walk. Hold on. I'm going to sign off and start back over.
Whoa. Yes.
Well, you're going to have to wait. Wait.